We're at cabin 1 here of the Lakedale Resort, and Janna has the key to cabin 1, so go ahead and see if you can get inside. There we go. Let's turn on some lights, Janna. Hey, it's nice and warm in here. We've got the entryway right here. And you want to go turn those lights on? This is the kitchen. The lights are already on, so. Cabinets here. This is a great room area for the kitchen, dining, living room together. Nice ceiling fan up there. There's a square window on that end. Some of the cabins had triangle windows up there, but this is cabin 1 of 6 cabins at the Lakedale Resort on the San Juan Island near Friday Harbor, Washington. So Janna and I came over here to do the videos of these cabins that our father built in 1998. And this is 21 years later. These logs have a lot of nice color. The interior finish is great, never has to be redone. The clear finish that was put on here lets the log colors come through. You can see the knots. You can see the color of the logs and the ceiling decking, the ceiling material. There's the stairway that we're famous for, the log stairway. Kitchen and dining room, table. Let's have a peek upstairs, Janna. Here we cut a half arch opening into the loft. It's kind of open. Can you find some light switches for these lights? That's a fan. This is the dormer area. There's a double dormer. The raised wall here. And then over here, here by the bathroom, the wall is also raised. See if I can find a light switch in the bathroom. So this wall is raised up for the dormer. It looks to be about 5.5 feet tall. These are the roof purlins holding the roof up. And you have the vaulted ceiling in the loft as well, in the dormer area. And then, there we go. Let's go downstairs and finish the tour of that bottom bedroom. So we've got 2 bedrooms here. It's quite livable for a small area, for a small cabin. A nice bedroom upstairs. And let's check this out. It's pretty roomy. It's not huge, but it's pretty nice for a small house. A little closet right there. What do we have here? I don't know what that is. Probably a hot water heater behind that door. It's kind of a cool little shelf up here. Trims it off. This up here is a settling area for the frame walls, because log walls settle for a couple of years, but frame walls don't. So you have to accommodate that with a settling area trim there, and a slot that goes into the log wall there, and then also above all the doors and windows, there's a settling area. Let's check the bathroom out. So we've got 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. That's pretty impressive for a small house, isn't it? Okay, Janna, let's go over to cabin number 2. Check that out. We're going into cabin number 2 of the Lakedale Resort. And check it out. It should be the same cabin, but reversed floor plan. 20 by 30, 600 square feet main floor, and 300 square foot loft, so 900 square feet total. Let's start with the bathroom on this one. Just like the other one, but all in reverse. These are rental cabins for people who want to come and enjoy the Puget Sound area and these islands. So that's the entry door. There's a log wall interior just like the other cabin with our famous archway, a round arch. And I've said it in the other video that my father, our father Ora Miller, built these cabins on site in 1998. So there's the bedroom. Let's go in there. Turn the lights on. All of the log work was pre-assembled at our plant in Libby, Montana. Then it's disassembled and shipped out, and then our father put them together all the way through the roofs, the windows and doors on site here. Let's go out on this deck. There's doors going out to the porch, so you can look at the lake. So let's go check the kitchen out. There's a lot of light coming in from that top window. It puts a surprising amount of light into the kitchen from those high triangle windows. Puts light right down there. So it lightens up the kitchen. That's pretty amazing. So there's no lights on here, down here. Can you turn the light switches on? Can you find them, Janna? So here's our kitchen and dining room table and the living room with a fireplace, all in one big room. Great room. Let's go upstairs and check it out. These are solid log stairs. This has got a little bit different thing here. It's got like a rafter holding up this opening that goes into the bedroom. It has a railing right there. Keep the grandkids from falling down. Quite roomy bedroom up here. That glass is really neat. I like that feature. We don't do that a lot in small cabins, but I like that. I do remember those glass windows when we were pre-assembling this 21 years ago. I remember that. I probably peeled or pressure washed some of these logs, or maybe milled them. I was almost a youngster then. A lot younger than I am now. There we can look down on the great room. Let's check the bathroom out here. Okay. Let's go back downstairs. Check this floor out. It's a larch floor. That might be Douglas fir. I believe that is Douglas fir. Very nice floor. And then some tile in the entryway. Carpet in the bedroom. And then vinyl floor in the bathroom. Okay, that pretty much wraps up the interior video of this Lakedale Resort cabin. We hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching.